Today we will be learning how to join two pieces of felt together using the laced up feather stitch. Begin by anchoring your thread with the back stitch on the reverse side of the fabric. I use this instead of tying a knot. Now pull your thread through to the front side. Join your two edges of felt together by taking a stitch across to the other edge and back. To start the feather stitch on the left side, bring the thread around the top to make a loop. Then insert the needle away from the edge and come up at an angle closer to the edge. Pull to adjust the tension of your stitch. Next, repeat on the right side. Make a loop with your thread, insert the needle away from the edge, and come up at an angle closer to the edge. Pull to adjust the tension of your stitch. Repeat till finished. Please note I've been sewing left-handed, so don't panic, the stitch is still the same. Continue with part B, lacing up the reverse side. This stabilizes the joined edges. Watch our video, Lacing Up the Feather Stitch. More details at treetopscolors.com.au.